Do you want to speak Igbo with confidence? Do you want to speak Igbo like a pro? Today I will show you the Igbo alphabet and their pronunciations. Stay to the end of this video so that you'll be able to pronounce and read Igbo alphabet and letters like a pro. And also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the notification bell to get notified when new video drops in my channel. Anya, bọọlụ, bọọlụ, chịa ọchị, chịa ọchị, dee, eze, fikọrọ, gị, gbaa, hazie, ike, ịgwọ, ji, kedu, kpọọ, kwọọ, lụọ, mmadụ, ngaji, nụọ, nwa, nye, obi, ọkụ, pịa, rie, sekpuo, tebụlụ, ude, ụlọ, vụọ, weta, yabasị, zụọ,